Surprise, motherfucker.
Yeah. From the BART train to a tour bus, still the same game except I pull it more.